Hi, my name is Liv.
And I'm Gianna.
This is our dolphin robot and it cleans pollution out of the ocean.
Also, the eye of the dolphin takes photos of animals to make sure they are safe.
The reason behind our drone is so we can take care of the animals and make sure they are being safe.
And to make sure that one day most of the trash in the ocean will be put somewhere reasonable.
This is our drone.
And the mouth of the dolphin is where all the trash and pollution go in. And the trash and pollution goes through here and is stored in the stomach area. So that way when they get the dolphin, they can unlock this part and can take all the trash and pollution out.
The eye, like Gianna had mentioned, is so it could take photos. And we have the little drone piece that could pop out of the little sort of fin on the top. And reason one behind this is so just in case of an attack, the dolphin can get away.
And reason two is for an emergency battery, and if it can just zoom out of there if it's on low battery, so that way the dolphin isn't stuck in the middle of the ocean.
Reason for the tail being a little sharp is so just in case of a real bad attack. Sorry. In case of a really bad attack, it can use the back fins and swat it away, whatever is attacking it. And then this, you can unscrew this, and then you can charge it. That's it.
I hope you enjoyed our dolphin. Thank you.
Bye.